Messrs Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited proposed to reroute approximately 48.7 kilometers of the existing Mumbai-Manmad multi-product pipeline. The pipeline was situated between Agarwadi in Mumbai suburban district and Janwal village in the Thane district of the Maharashtra state. The installation of pipeline was proposed using HDD method across rivers, creeks and other difficult crossings. One of the major HDD crossing of this project was located near Ulhas River, which is a tidal influenced river. The project was awarded to Messrs Cortec International Private Limited and the same was awarded to Messrs Bluegrass Technologies Private Limited for execution on back-to-back basis. The length of the crossing was 1705 meters with a maximum depth of 35 meters. Bluegrass Technologies needed to install 12.7 millimeters thick and 18-inch diameter pipeline there. Bluegrass Technologies received the go-ahead to start the execution of HDD crossing on April 2019. The time was short. Bluegrass Technologies needed to complete the HDD cross within 15 months. This meant uninterrupted drilling for 12 months and installing the pipeline by HDD method. Ulhas River crossing was very different from a typical river crossing and it presented its own set of challenges. The proposed pipeline was to be installed across a densely inhabited local port known as Reti Bandar. There were ships and barges anchored at the port. Also, this river crossing was spanning across two bridges and solid concrete structures. There was literally no space for laying coil in magnetic-free environment for downhole survey. There was a space constraint for placement of drilling spread and fabricated pipe strings. So, Bluegrass Technologies approached the Maharashtra Maritime Board and obtained the required permissions for installing the drilling equipment near Ganesh Ghat. Also, logistics was a major challenge on the pipe side. The exit side was landlocked from three sides due to rail network and there was no direct road access to the site. Bluegrass Technologies used waterways of Ulhas River and barges to transport the pipes and other major equipment. The transportation was possible only during the high tide as there were rocks on the riverbed and barges required at least a minimum draft to reach.
This section is called Ulhas 1 crossing. This section is having 1700 meter length and it is a quite a difficult place to execute. Reason being is that one side is the railway track and another side is the Ulhas River. To shifting the material from yard to Ulhas River side, pipe side, this is a quite difficult and project is very challenging due to local disputes, land issues, encroachment and accessibility point of view.
Finally, the stage was set and Bluegrass Technologies started the geotech survey. 12 boreholes were drilled along the crossing profile at the offset of 10 meters till depth of 25 meters. The geotech survey was finished within 3 months and the survey revealed weathered basalt and granite rocks with a maximum strength of 232 megapascal. In consultation with EIL and BPCL, Bluegrass Technologies began installation of the 6-inch conduit and 18-inch lines separately at an offset of 4 meters. The objective was to use the 6-inch conduit line as a return line for mud recycling. Bluegrass Technologies used the state-of-the-art 250-ton Herenich AG HDD rig spread from Germany to execute this crossing. The first pilot hole drilling for the 6-inch conduit line started in July 2019. The drill path was designed to perfectly bisect the distance between two bridge pillars before entering the middle of Ulhas River. The Bluegrass team used AC beacons to survey the downhole trajectory. But then, something unexpected happened.
Severe floods.
This after heavy rains brought low-lying areas inundated. Citizens too have been asked to not venture outside.
The work had to be stopped due to incessant rain by the end of July 2019. The rig spread was submerged in water due to flooding. Extreme monsoon severely hindered the progress of the project. Engineering is not a cup of tea for the faint-hearted. Bluegrass Technologies repaired all the equipment and rearranged the site in record time of 20 days and resumed the work by the end of August. The work was now put on a fast-track mode, and drilling for both the pilot holes was completed successfully by October 2019. Bluegrass Technologies completed the expansion of the holes in 2 steps of 20-inch and 28-inch by mid of January 2020. At the same time, 2 dedicated teams were simultaneously engaged in string fabrication process. Because of extreme space constraint, Bluegrass team decided to fabricate the pipe string in 4 different parts of 430 meters each. Thus began the final and crucial step, pipe pulling. Bluegrass team carried out 3 golden tie-ins during the pipe pulling process. One after another one, the entire string of product pipeline was pulled back by the rig deployed 1700 meters far at the Ganesh Ghat. The entire pipe string pulling was carried out successfully within 2 days. 1705 meters long, Ulhas River HDD crossing completed within 7 months, braving the wrath of Mother Nature and floods.
We are really happy to inform everyone that we completed this challenging crossing of Ulhas River 1. I congratulate Mr. CIPL, Cortec International and Bluegrass for completing the task successfully and within scheduled time.
There were a lot of hindrances, local hindrances, natural flooding of sites and concise approach to the pipe side. In spite of all these, the Bluegrass team has done excellently well and they executed the SDD within a contractual schedule.
In spite of faces 2 consecutive continuous long rain and floods, they have come back and they have successfully executed this project within time, or I can say that before time.
Cortec and Bluegrass has worked professionally and completed the job within this stipulated time, and I am very happy to declare it completed. Thank you very much.
Every moment and every effort that we did was a great learning experience. It was like a dream. It was the acknowledgement of technical prowess of the Bluegrass Technologies team. Ulhas River HDD crossing, engineered to success.